What's the meaning of autowinder? Autowinder. Autowinder.
Autowinder. Autowinder. An autowinder is a device commonly used in the photography industry. It automatically winds film from one spool to another within the camera after a photo has been taken. This process allows the photographer to take multiple shots quickly without having to manually advance the film every time. The autowinder can also be used to rewind the film when it is finished. The result is a faster and more efficient photography experience, with less downtime between shots and less chance of accidentally exposing or damaging the film while manually advancing or rewinding it.